Good morning. The North Atlantic Council has just met at Turkish request to hold consultations within the framework of Article 4 of the Washington Treaty. This article states that allies will consult whenever, in the opinion of any of them, the territorial integrity, political independence, or security of any of them is threatened. We discussed the shooting down of a Turkish aircraft by Syria. All allies have approved a statement setting out our firm position. We consider this act to be unacceptable and condemn it in the strongest terms. It is another example of the Syrian authorities' disregard for international norms, peace and security, and human life. Our thoughts at this difficult time are with the missing Turkish aircrew, their families, and their loved ones. We continue to follow the situation closely and with great concern. NATO allies will remain seized of developments on the southeastern border of NATO. And let me make this clear. The security of the alliance is indivisible. We stand together with Turkey in the spirit of strong solidarity. And with that, I'm ready to take a couple of questions.